Hello everyone, I am Punyakeerthi BN. Welcome to LangChain tutorial from Python to GenAI. In this series, we will learn how to move from Python fundamentals to building real-world generative AI applications using LangChain. We will explore key concepts like agents, chains, memory, and model integration, everything you need to start building intelligent AI systems step by step. So let's dive in and start today's session. Today's topic is LangChain, data ingestion and loaders. Master how LangChain reads and process your data. Let's start with introduction. In this session, we will dive into LangChain, a powerful framework for building generative AI applications. In our previous discussion, we briefly looked at the end-to-end process from ingesting data, transforming it and converting into vectors, storing it in vector database to creating retrieval chains and sending it to a language model for responses. In this video, we will focus on the first step, data ingestion. We will explore how to load data from various sources using document loaders in LangChain and see practical examples for different file types and web sources. Before moving to any practicals, so let's start with understanding what is data ingestion. Data ingestion refers to process of loading data from source to source so that it can be used in your AI application. In LangChain, this is handled by document loaders. Document loaders allow you to read data from multiple sources such as text files, PDFs, XML or HTML files, websites, APIs, CSV, Excel or other tabular data, Hugging Face datasets, images, etc. etc. Think of document loader as a bridge between your raw data and your AI model. So for practical expressions, we need to setting up your environment. Before we start coding, a few important setup steps. First one, Jupyter Notebook. Create a notebook, data ingestion IPM. So in our example, we are not creating any Jupyter Notebook, we are using normal Python file. Then first we need to set up virtual environment to ensure virtual environment is active. Then IPO kernel we need required to run notebooks install via requirement.txt. Install LangChain community because LangChain community package make sure LangChain community is installed. Other dependencies are PyMU PDF, Beautiful Software and Wikipedia. Let's start with exploring the workspace. This is my workspace which I have created. This is LangChain starter. Inside that we have requirement text. So in here whatever they specified, everything it is there. In requirement text, LangChain community. So we have LangChain community, IPA kernel, PyPDF and Beautiful Software and Wikipedia. All these are there. So what we can do, first we can create a terminal. So inside this terminal I need to activate. So here you are able to see here source. Anyway I will source dot and bin, then activate. So it is activated. Now what we need to do, we need to create a, so we need to install pip install -r, whatever requirement we need to install. So we installed everything. So automatically install. Now we can create a new file, Python file. Okay, I will save it as data ingestion demo. Okay, so now our environment is ready. So first one is document loaders, practical example. First we can understand loading and printing text files. We can use text loader to read .txt files. So text data demo text we have to create. So here text data demo text, this is my text with this content. Now inside this how to load that and we need to print. So for that from LangChain community, so dot we need data loaders, then from there I need to import, as we are working on text, so we need text loader. Once text loader is imported, what I need to do, I need to create a loader is equal to text loader, inside that whatever. So as of now we need to pass the path for that file. The file is available here itself, text data demo text in the same folder. That's why I'm specifying the file name, text data demo.txt. Now we loaded that. So once loaded that, we need to data is equal to loader.load. Data is loaded. So what I can do, print text data loaded. Once loaded, what I need to do, I need to print what data loaded. How many number of files we loaded, then what data we have. Sample document content. So I will print data. So once we know this, then we can see what all properties we have. So anyway, we installed. I will clear this one. So I need to run Python. So I saved that one already, data ingestion.demo. When I run this, okay, LangChain community document, we have issue with loaders. What happened? It's giving error. Let's copy paste and maybe some misspelling. Sorry, document loaders, it has data loaders. That's why we are getting error. Now I made that easy. Now we are able to run. So it's running. Now you are able to text data loaded one documents. This steps completed. Then sample data component. This is the object. What it will do, it will converted whatever content from the text into one object, that is document. First it has metadata, second it has page content. So we can divide now and we can print. From this print data, I will comment this. Now what I will do, this is the first document only, data 0, page content. Let's run and see what page content we will get. See, from that object we extracted page content. Next I want to print metadata. That will be information, print data of 0 dot page content. Then I need metadata. So I will run metadata here. Now you are able to see metadata, text data loaded one document, sample document content is source, text data demo text. This will be used in future for multiple users. Okay, then we converted everything, load documents is done. Then the content converted into a document object with metadata ready for furthering process. That is what I told. That text process completed. Now we need to understand loading PDF files. Use PyPDF loader to read PDFs. Example, loading the famous research paper, attention is all you need. So I already downloaded. I kept it in name as attention data. So PyPDF loader. So whatever we imported, it is working here. This is the code. Okay. So now what I will do, I will take the same code only and I will comment for as of now. Then what I will do, go for next one. So here, rather than loading, what I can use, PyPDF loader. This is the loader for PDF. So anyway we have, right, I will replace that PyPDF loader. So what is the attention data.pdf? Attention data.pdf. So loader, so PDF data loaded. So how many documents? Sample document, I will have print data like this. Rather than printing data, first I will print page content. So it is similar how we are running, same code. So running. So see, all data loaded. Once it is loaded, let's see metadata for this code. So in this way, we can load PDF data as well. You can see metadata, producer, who all their page label, all the information we are getting. Okay. So each page of PDF becomes to separate document. Access content via docs of dot page content, that we already did. Docs of, that is data of 0 dot metadata. So here we have to use docs loader data, but there I will use data and metadata by docs dot metadata. Ensure PyMU PDF is installed using PyPDF. Already that is installed as a PyPDF in our requirements. Done. Okay, this is all about PDF files loading using LangChain document loaders. Let's go with loading web pages. Use web-based loader to load that one. So for that we need some URL, right? So I will search in LangChain. So for that LangChain, one of our documents we will get. This is our document LangChain. I will see on the long term tools I will get. So I will go for tools. This is our tool. This is URL we have. Okay, what I will do, I will take this anyway. We have copied that code. So I will comment this till this will be read. So what I will do, I will like this. I will stop this one. So remaining will be same. So PDF this web data loaded. Okay, now URL will be, this is the URL whatever we loaded, right? This is the tools URL we have, that HTTP. I am copying that one. Okay, now URL will say from web based loader we need to use from document loader to load the scrap the or crawler the data from the web pages. Web data loaded documents, sample document content. First get with the metadata. Let's see what we can print the metadata. So it handled. Now your web data loaded one document, sample document content will be, source will be this one, title is tools and LangChain, all the information we got. Now I want to see where the content of that web page which we loaded. So let's run. See, this is the data we loaded. We're able to see name, description, ingestion, everything. This is done. This is how we can load using web-based loader. Next topic we can see. What is the next topic? We completed with loading web pages. Now I want to loading Wikipedia articles. Use Wikipedia loader to fetch content from the Wikipedia. For example, this one. So here generative AI related whatever Wikipedia information is there, that we need to load. How to load? So what I will do, I will comment this. So anyway we have to print same thing. So docs loader dot docs we have. Once it is done, page content. First we can go for page content, then we can go for metadata. Same thing, but here we are using Wikipedia loader. So clear. Let's go with. So it's connecting. Okay, now it is connect to the Wikipedia and getting the information, history, all generative AI related, so many information we got, that content we got. Now we can see the metadata. I will comment this one for easy use. So now we can see the docs.metadata. So once data loaded, any data loaded from document loaders, we can get page content, then metadata. Now we are able to see sample document content, title, and all information where it is loaded. How this is how we can load the data using Wikipedia articles using Wikipedia loader. Each page is written as a document with content and page URL. So what are key takeaways? LangChain provides versatile document loaders for almost any data source. Every loader converts data into document objects with page content as actual text, metadata, information about the source. Dependencies matters. Libraries like PyMediaf, Bittlesop, and may need to be installed. Web scraping flexibility. Use beautiful soap filters to extract only relevant content. Documentation is helpful but often scattered, organized, step-by-step learning. Like this video series makes implementation easier. So let's wrap up. We explored data ingestion in LangChain, learned how to use multiple document loaders like text files, PDFs, website, Wikipedia, etc. You now have the tools to load any dataset and convert it into structured format ready for AI applications. Let's recap. By the end of this video, you should be able to understand what data ingestion means. Know the types of document loaders in LangChain. And then load data from local files, web pages, Wikipedia, and ARXIV. Then convert data into document objects with content and metadata. Prepare datasets for further text processing and vectorization. Next, we will explore text splitting, a key step before converting text into embeddings. So, thanks for watching today's session. This was part of LangChain Bootcamp from Python to GenAI. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more lessons on building with LangChain and Generative AI. Also, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. You will find the link in the description. See you in the next session. Thank you very much.